Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you how to make the orange popsicle, or you can call it the ice lolly or orange ice cream. It is absolutely delicious and extremely easy to make. So let's begin with our process. और हम ये रेसिपी शुरू करें उसके पहले मैं आपको अपने दूसरे चैनल के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। आप सबके डिमांड पे मैंने वो दूसरा चैनल शुरू किया है जिसका नाम है एट होम विद अल्पा इन हिंदी। ऊपर जो लिंक दिख रहा है बस उसे क्लिक कर दीजिए और हो जाइए सब्सक्राइब मेरे उस दूसरे चैनल को भी। और चलिए अब हम शुरू करते हैं ये रेसिपी को। So for this recipe guys, we are going to need about 350 ml of orange juice. This is fresh orange juice and I needed about 6 to 7 oranges to get to this much juice. Also in cup sizes, it's almost 1 3/4 cup of orange juice. And now to this juice, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, followed by 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of black salt, which is kala namak. Guys, this is optional, but I'm telling you it does add a different dimension to our popsicles. So do try and add it if you have it in your house. And now let's give everything a good mix till the time the sugar is completely incorporated with the rest of the ingredients. And now that the sugar is completely melted, so let's take our ice cream mold and let's pour this liquid into the cavities of the ice cream mold. Also guys, if you do not have an ice cream mold, you can always use a glass or a cup and place it in the freezer for an hour or two, and once it is almost 60-70% solidified, then you can pierce the ice cream stick in the center of that glass or cup and then freeze it. And now here, as you can see, we have already filled the ice cream molds. So now let's cover it up and keep it in the freezer for the next 3 to 4 hours. I'm going to keep it overnight. You can do the same as well. 24 hours later, here I have taken a large bowl in which I've added some tap water, and now let's place the ice cream molds in it. And once they are in there for about 10 to 15 seconds, let's remove our orange popsicles. Aren't they looking absolutely delicious? I know you want to eat them right away. So make it right now. Do let me know what you think about this recipe. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and these other links because these are recipes which you do not want to miss. Also guys, don't forget to show your support for my second channel at home with Alpa in Hindi by subscribing, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.